Hey guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with a lemon squeezer. And you can see I use this every day. So what I like about this is I don't like fruit. I'll be honest. Why do you have a lemon squeezer or a lime squeezer if you don't like fruit? Well, because I like to get the juice, but I don't want to get the pulp. So using this, you squeeze it, you put the half of, and it can hold pretty big ones. So I've had the smaller, like little lime and lemons that are organic that are smaller, and then the ones that are not organic that tend to be bigger. They all sizes fit in, and I gently just squeeze it closed like this. The hinge works well, and I don't get any pulp out of it. So I love this. Is the only, and I've tried many lemon squeezers, and they get pulp. And when you drinking your lemon water, like I do lemon water in the mornings, it's just like ugh, to have a mouthful of pulp, but there's no pulp with this. So the hinge works well. This is good because this helps to press on. So you put the lemon on this side and then you just squeeze it shut and it's all set to go. Stainless steel, I put this in the dishwasher. I also wash it by hand. It cleans very easily. And like I said, you can see that it is nicely used. So stainless steel, the hinge, and I've had this now for about at least, I don't know, 7 years or so, but it is great. So get your little lemon squeezer, lime squeezer without worry about pulp.